This is how to make money with Freecash. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to earn Freecash money online in Nigeria. All you need to take advantage of this platform is just your phone. I already made almost $20 with this app. Let me show you. You can see I've already cashed out over $12 from this website, and I currently have over $7 that I can withdraw right now, and I'm going to cash out this amount step by step in this video. All you need to do to get paid on this website is for you to start testing apps, playing games, and taking surveys with your phone. And you can see you can earn up to $60 per offer on this website, and there are multiple offers, over 444 offers that is available as at the time of this video. And the good thing is that it will take you less than 20 minutes to start making money on this website. And as of yesterday, on average, each person that works on this website made over $36. That's to tell you that you can make over $20 if you put your mind into it. And you can see they've paid out over $50 million to users. The best part is that you can easily cash out your money direct to your bank account in your country. This website will accept people worldwide, and you can earn a lot on this platform. Towards the end of this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily cash out step by step, and you have an opportunity to claim free money if you watch this video to the end. But first, let me show you how this website is making me money consistently online. The first thing you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to sign up. When you use that link, you'll be able to have access to my Freecash bonus code and start making money in dollars just for playing games, testing apps, and taking surveys with your phone, tablet, or computer system. You can see as soon as you sign up, you just come here, you click earn. You can see you can earn using your Android phone, your iOS, or you can use your desktop, including your tablet, to earn in dollars. Look at different offers that is available. This is $42, $38, $22. So many offers that you can take right now with your phone. For you to have access to play games, I currently have over 106 games that I can play. Look at it. You just click game. Look at so many games that you can play with your phone, tablet, or computer system. So many of them. This is why many people are making good money on this platform. So all you need to do is to put your phone to use. You can do this on your free time, playing games and making money in dollars from home in Nigeria. And you can see these are different surveys. Look at the amount you can earn and the time it will take you to earn them. And there are multiple of those surveys that you can get started with right now. You will also have opportunity to work with Freecash partners where you can have access to multiple tasks. Look at so many of them. These are partners with offers that you can engage with, and you get paid a lot of money in dollars from home in Nigeria. You can see these are their popular survey offers. You will get a lot of surveys with all these partners. You can also earn money by getting rewarded for referring your friends and family members. That is one of the core ways I earn on this platform. To do that, you click reward. You can see Freecash rewards. You'll be able to get 30% commissions for referring your friends and family members to this platform. You can see all you need to do is to copy your link and start sharing on your WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, and everywhere. And you'll be able to make more money. Couple with using your phone to do tasks every day on this platform. Another way to make good money on this platform is through Leaderboard. As you can see, Leaderboard will give you opportunity to earn free money just for working hard on the platform. If you are one of the top users of this platform that makes good money, you will have opportunity to earn free money every day. For instance, this is $500 daily leaderboard. That is, the first person will earn $50, second person $35, third person $17. You can see this is the amount they earn today. This is the amount they will collect. All you need to do is to earn good money like this, and you'll be able to earn this award. These are daily money that you can earn from this platform. This is monthly leaderboard, 5,000 leaderboard. The first person will earn $500, second $350, third $175. All you need to do is to work hard. Look at how much this person has earned this month, over $3,000, over $1,000, and they will earn these prices. So if you are one of the top users of this platform, you stand to earn good money. All you need to do is to work hard, and you'll be able to earn $3 just for working hard. This is different from the money you make doing tasks on this platform. platform. But how do you cash out your money? To cash out your money, you click cash out. These are popular cash out method: Stakes, PayPal, Apple gift cards, and Visa gift cards. But for Nigerians, to make life easy for you, it's better you cash out through cryptos. For you to cash out with any of these methods, you need to have minimum of $2. Using Litecoin is the cheapest. You click Litecoin. For you to use cryptos, you need to have a wallet that you'll be transferring your money to. My best recommended crypto exchange you can use right now with a lot of benefits is ByBit. You start to get a reward of over $5,020. If you are a new user, you are open to earn this. You are expected to do some little task to earn this money. You see all my recommended link below the description of this video. As soon as you sign up to ByBit, you will locate deposit. You click deposit. You can see this is your wallet address. Inside ByBit, you copy it. You go back to Freecash. This is inside Freecash. You paste your wallet address. Don't forget that I have over $7. You click maximum because you want to withdraw maximum amount. This is the amount I can withdraw out of this money. This is the current price of Litecoin. This is the amount I will receive. So you click withdraw. My account has been debited, so I'll be expecting my money on my ByBit exchange account. Whenever you are checking your account inside ByBit, make sure you check inside the unified trading account, not funding account. When you click overview, you see your total balance. You can see my money from Freecash arrived. ByBit sent me an email, deposit confirmation. This is my ByBit account. You can see that the balance has increased. You can now transfer this money. If you want, you can use ByBit P2P to transfer your money to your bank account, or you transfer your money to AirTM. This is one of the best payment platforms. When you do, you can now move your money to your bank account in your country. Watch this video. You see step-by-step process of how to transfer your money from AirTM to any bank in the world. What do you think? All you need to do right now is for you to take action and start making money in dollars from home in Nigeria. One big way of getting yourself introduced to cryptos and to get them for free is working with Freecash. So ensure you sit down and put your phone to use. Do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. You see, to really make good money online in Nigeria, you have to work and interact with many of these apps and websites. This is why I put together 23 apps and websites that makes me money every day right here in Nigeria. In that video, you get to see my payment proofs and how I get paid to my bank account in Nigeria. So you need to watch the next video. It is about 23 apps that can change your life and you'll be able to earn money in dollars right from home with your phone. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Drop your comment. I promise I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.